Eric Blackmon of EricBlackmonMusic. And even though I know many scales and scale modes, when I played the solo in the intro of this video, the last thing on my mind were scales. I have a video series on YouTube called How to Play an Electric Guitar Solo Without Even Thinking About Scales. Video 1 of that series currently has over 1.5 million views. It has 300 dislikes. The only reason it has 300 dislikes is that 300 people didn't watch the video. If they had watched it, they'd have learned something cool and put a like on it. This video series has helped thousands of players to become better soloists and has caused many players to restart playing after giving up on it. To check out this cool video set, use the links in the description below this video. And while you're there, check out the hundreds of comments that have been posted, and I think you'll see what I mean. That's how to play an electric guitar solo without even thinking about scales. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.